Hello and welcome back. This is Stevie Bucks Coins and welcome to something just a little bit different. I know I've said that before, but this one is a medal. It has its ribbon on, its original ribbon, along with a safety pin. Told it on the ribbon is a bit the worse for wear. However, it's a medal that never was. And you may ask the question, what am I talking about? Well, if you look at the portrait is not of a known monarch to the UK. It was in fact Edward VIII. And this is a coronation medal for Edward VIII, which again is an oxymoron because Edward VIII never had a coronation. This was one that was made in advance but never used. On the back it has to commemorate the coronation of King Edward VIII on the 19th of May 1937. That is what the reading is on the back. This event never happened, so this medal is celebrating the event that never happened. So that's what makes this medal unique. It was struck for Edward VIII not long after his father died. George V died. Edward VIII at that time was due to take over the throne, and they set his coronation date as May the 19th. Is it May 19th? Yeah, May 19th. Sorry, May 12th, the week before. May 12th, 1937. However, what happened between this medal being struck and that date is that in December of 1936, Edward abdicated from his life as Edward VIII and became the Duke of Windsor. And of course he married his lady friend not long afterwards, the lady who, of course, Wallis Simpson, who was a twice divorced American lady who he spent the rest of his life with. He died in Paris in 1972, and I believe he is buried in in the grounds of Windsor Castle. So this is a medal that never was. What do you think of it? I think this cost me around about £6 to buy, so it wasn't overly expensive. But I bought it because it's unique. How many other people can say they've got an Edward VIII coronation medal, considering the coronation never took place? So, do you think I should have bought this medal? Do you think I was wrong to buy it? Tell me down below. Anyway, that ends this review for this particular coin. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying off wherever you're buying the coins from, or whatever you're buying, I hope you can get it for the price that you want to pay. And in the meantime, we'll meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future. Ta-ra for me now. Bye-bye. Bye.